Hi everyone, hello. Okay, this is different from my previous videos, okay, but let me start by saying you're welcome. If this is your first time of joining, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I just apologize for any background noise, okay. I don't have my microphone here, so I'm literally just using my phone. But I wanted to make this video, and I wanted to make this video for what reason? To encourage my nursing students out there preparing for graduation. I know that a lot of nursing students are preparing for graduation. Some are graduating next, actually we're in April. Some are graduating next month, and I don't know, whatever time you're graduating this year. I just wanted to say to you that congratulations, your hard work, the studying, the tears, the secret tears has finally paid off, okay. Obviously you guys probably don't know this, but I'm a registered nurse in the United States of America, and coming from someone that took the exam 5 times, yes, I took the exam 5 times, oh my gosh. Okay, jokes apart, I took the exam 5 times, and I tell you it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all, but I did not give up, and I just thank God for great people, wonderful people God surrounded me with. Honestly, I'm grateful to God for, you know, the people around me. I just wanted to say this, that this video probably is all over the place, but the focus is that you can take this exam and pass, okay. That's the focus. Please, let's not be distracted. I might not seem, you know, put together or whatnot, but I really wanted to, like I said, I wanted to put this out there because someone definitely needs this encouragement. I know that you're preparing for graduation now, all the happiness, everything going good. And then after graduation, you have to start again, you know, thinking about taking the exam, the Nclex exam. For those of you that don't know, the Nclex exam is the professional exam you have to take to be licensed, right? To be licensed. So yeah, I just wanted to say that no matter what people say about the exam, every single person has the personal opinion or what worked for them, what didn't work for them on the exam, blah blah blah. But one thing you should know, that your story is unique to you alone, right? What worked for me might not work for you, and what worked for you might not work for me. I mean, I tried different resources, I tried several resources, you know, just from, oh, I used this resource or whatever and it helped, and I'll buy it, I'll get it, because I wanted to pass, but it didn't work for me, right? And if you like to know what I used to study, please let me know in the comment section, or you can send me a DM via Instagram, or you can send me an email, whatever works for you, okay? Just be encouraged. Congratulations once again, guys. I hope to do more sit-down videos like this. This is my first sit-down video. Go bad, it's not that bad, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to watch my previous videos and leave a wonderful comment down below. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate you guys. Future nurses, you can do this, okay? And you're going to do this by God's grace. I genuinely ask that God will see everyone through the face of Nclex. Let's put it that way. Genuinely ask that God will, you know, do it for you guys like He did it for me. Thank you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.